Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by creating a new Google Sheet and bringing your data in. This is where the work lives. Once done, import CSV or Excel files or paste raw values directly to avoid retyping. Make sure to set clear headers in row 1 and freeze that row so labels remain visible as you scroll. You'll want basic formatting, bold headers, and automatic column widths, so formulas reference consistent ranges and you can see structure before building calculations. Now organize and convert raw cells into usable data. You should split text to columns for comma or tab delimited imports, then apply number, date, or percent formats so functions behave correctly. Next, create useful formulas. Start with SUM and average, then layer conditional logic with IF and lookup with VLOOKUP or index/match. Once your formulas compute correctly, use absolute references, $1 to lock cells. These steps prevent finish by turning results into readable insights and collaborating efficiently. You should insert charts and pick the right type, then customize axis labels and colors so viewers understand trends. Once ready, share using link permissions and protect ranges to prevent accidental edits. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Check for common formula errors, wrong ranges, text in numeric cells, or unmatched headers, and use Ctrl+Z or formula auditing, show formulas to find the cause. This keeps your sheet accurate and shareable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.